In this video, I will be now showing you how to change the time it takes for that call to flash. So, for instance, if a call button is pressed, the information will keep flashing for the default is 10 seconds. So you can actually change that. So let's just clear this call. See, it stops flashing after 10 seconds and then it remains there until it's cancelled. But you can change the time in which it flashes. So we'll press function on the remote, or enter on the remote to switch it on. You'll press function and fun 1 will show, and you just change that to a 4 and a 2. So once your display panel shows fun 4-2, you press enter. And let's say we wanted to only flash for 5 seconds instead of 10, we change that to 0, 5, and you'll press enter, and it will tell you setting successful, and you just press the function key to exit until you're on your home screen. And now if you press a button, it will only flash for 5 seconds instead of 10 until the flashing stops, but it will still remain on the screen until the cancel button is pressed. Thank you very much for watching.